Hi guys, you're welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. And in today's video, I'm going to be taking you around Bigodi Wetland Sanctuary. Bigodi Wetland Sanctuary is located in western Uganda, and it's a popular birding site that is right next to Kibale National Park, just a few kilometers away from the national park. So Bigodi Wetland Sanctuary is a birding site, but they offer different activities like nature walks. There are homestays around, cultural activities that you can do around where there are interactions with the community. But today I'm just going to be taking you around the sanctuary so that anytime you're in Uganda you can visit. It's a perfect activity to combine with the chimpanzee tracking activity in Kibale Forest. So enjoy the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We are going to start here. Like you see, this is the start point and there are offices right there, but where I'm standing right now is right next to the road side. So that is Bigodi Wetland Sanctuary, the signpost, and then you are here. This is the main road. So if you're coming from Fort Portal, it is on your right, and if you're coming from Mbarara, Kamwenge side, it is on your left. The signpost is easy to see and very clear, as you can see here. And yeah, let's go and explore this site. Right now where I'm standing is right next to that was the trail. Yes, the starting point for one of the trails, just here. And that is the other background that I was showing you. And in the background, those are voices of the staff. And this is where we were at the beginning of the video. If you go trying to point to the, but yeah, if you go using that road, you'll end up at the main road. So this is inside the information center, which serves as their briefing area, but also has a curio shop that has items for sale. Most of the items here are made by the community, so sometimes if you are visiting, you are free to purchase an item from here that can serve as a souvenir. It's not a must, but if you would like to buy, it's open and here for sale. So this serves as their briefing area, but also has the curio shop where you can purchase souvenirs. There's a lot of stuff. You can buy jewelry, there are baskets, there are stuff that is made out of banana fibers, and a lot of little items that you can pick up as souvenirs or as gifts.
this is yes, lesser stripe. This is but they're like mannequin.
Yes. Now you have
I'm
to
saying
check.
that there was a black and white mannequin.
Yes. Now, when every time you meet these mannequins, so guys, that was it for Bigodi Wetland Sanctuary. We've just ended our 2-hour bird walk here. You can see the office is just in the back there where I showed you at the beginning of the video. So we are now done with our 2.5-hour bird walk. So depending on your interests, you can decide that you want to just do a nature walk. You can decide, if you're a birding enthusiast, you can decide that you want to come and bird. So for birders, the Bigodi Wetland Sanctuary is a must visit or a must stop when you are at Kibale National Park. So usually what you can do is do the chimpanzee trekking in the morning, come here and do the afternoon, morning birding or evening birding, depending on how your schedule or your itinerary works. So basically that was it for the video. We did the Calf Reed Trail, which is a loop trail here, and we've now ended it and are ready to go over to the next activity. So thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.